the first thing you have to know, this is a centerpiece. This is an edge piece, and this is a corner. The difference between edge piece and corner piece, the corner piece have 3 sides, and the edge piece have 2 sides, and you have 12 edge pieces and 8 corner pieces. The first thing you have to do is take a edge piece and stick it between 2 center pieces. Like that. Now take a corner and put it next to the edge piece. Like that. And now put the next edge piece. And now put the next edge piece here. And just keep going. So now you have the last piece. The last piece needs to be an edge piece, and you just... Now your cube is cube again. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you, and yeah.